So today I will be talking about the MORPHE 3502 palette. This recently launched a few weeks ago, I think, or like a month ago, I'm not too sure. But I recently got it, and I haven't gotten the chance to do any looks with it, so I will be doing some. Pretty much it's just a warm tone palette. This is what it looks like. It is the Second Nature palette. Very warm toned. We have a few reds, a few shimmers, and then some mattes. So this retailed for about $23. I ordered mine online, so it was a little bit more because of tax. So it was like, and plus shipping, so it was like $30. But you know, it's still okay. Pretty much, I'll be swatching a few of these shades. As you can tell, very pigmented. So now I will be doing a makeup tutorial, a little mini tutorial on this palette, see how each apply, and if you want to continue to watch, please do.
These feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. You would think that I would know how to make the sun shine when it rains, but it's all a mystery. We both have history, mix of the highs and the lows, and that's why I need to be where I can feel free. I'll put a little control. The ins and outs, the ups and downs, sometimes too slow. When I need space, a small escape, a place to roam, that's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go. That's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go. These feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. You would think that I would know how to make the sun shine when it rains, but it's all a mystery. We both have history, mix of the highs and the lows, and that's why I need to be where I can feel free. I'll put a little control. The ins and outs, the ups and downs, sometimes too slow. When I need space, a small escape, a place to roam, that's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go. That's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go.
So for eyeshadow, The first shade that I picked was tan. And this shade, I will be applying it all over my crease and just blending that out along the crease. So I'm just building it up, making sure that it's evened out with the other one as well. Now, I forgot to show this part, but I also did the shade Rich, and I just blended that out in my crease as well. Except this time I did it in the outer crease a little bit more, and I just blended it out with tan. And for the shimmer shade, I went in with Rustic, and I just applied that all over my lids. And after applying it on the lids, I made sure that it was looking nice, and I blended it out with a bigger brush just so that it looks nice and blended. After doing that, I just curled my eyelashes and I did some mascara, and then that was the finished look. Alright guys, this is the final look. It's very simple for every day. Very fast. It only took me like a few minutes, like 5 minutes or so. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, please. Bye-bye.